When I play the maracas, I go chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom. Yes, sir, I'm Cuban Pete. I'm the crazy man at the street. When I start to dance, everything goes chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom.
He's a really modest guy, although he's the hottest guy in Havana, in Havana.
See, senorita, I know that you will like a chicky boom chick. It's very chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom.
To see a world in a grain of sand, to see heaven in a wild flower, to hold infinity in the palm of your hand and eternity in an hour. The air throbs with enthusiasm, joy, fulfillment and hope, as it is a great moment for Bal Bharati Public School Pitampura as it celebrates its annual day with a cultural program. The students will vie with one another to show the diverse and the versatile cultural dimensions through the timeless magic of dance and music.
It is the blessings of the Almighty that has helped us sail through these turbulent times. And what better way to start our program than to invoke the blessings of Lord Vishnu. Vishnu, Narayan, Hari, Keshav, Madhav, Janardhan. Vishnu, the supreme power, the ultimate truth, the God of preservation and the protector of good. Whenever the world is faced with chaos and evil, Vishnu has descended in his avatar to restore the cosmic order.
विष्णु शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। श्रीघस्यामं पीतकौशेयवासं श्रीवत्साङ्गं कौस्तुभोपासिताङ्गम् पुण्योपेतं पुण्डरीकायताक्षं विष्णुं वन्दे सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैः
gives color to the air of the moment. The school orchestra, an instrumental ensemble, presents a piece based on Rag Hansdwani, a raga of joy, and Rag Bhairavi. The students will be playing a number of instruments such as guitar, sitar, keyboard, tabla, along with many others. They will transport you into the sweet and serene world of music.
Good morning and welcome to the annual cultural presentation. Every new dawn brings with it a new hope and offers a new chance for a new beginning. The past many months have been a challenge, yet, undaunted, we have moved together to ensure that our children do not lose out on any opportunity to learn and grow. My heart is filled with joy and gratitude as I count all the blessings that have been showered upon us, enabling us to move on with the times. Though many of us have been at the receiving end of the COVID pandemic, but our losses have brought us closer and made us stronger. The Bal Bharti fraternity was greatly grieved at the passing away of two of our strongest pillars, Mr. L.R. Channa, President, Child Education Society and Chairman, Managing Committee of the school, and Dr. V.K. Ahuja, Vice President, Child Education Society and Member, Managing Committee of the school. Mr. L.R. Channa will be missed deeply and remembered fondly by the entire Bal Bharti Parivar for being the legend that he was and the legacy of learning that he has left behind. He was the architect of Bal Bharti Pitampura, having been its chairman since the very beginning. With a contagious zeal and an eternal optimism for life, he radiated a magnanimous aura and touched innumerable lives. He was a born leader, a great mentor, and a true educationist. His was a life truly defined by uncountable examples of philanthropy, dexterity, and steadfast commitment towards education. Dr. V.K. Ahuja was the epitome of profound goodness, a medical practitioner who was always ready to serve others. His lifelong dedication to improve the quality of education, his love for children, and his passion to provide the best for future generations will be remembered forever. The Bal Bharti fraternity will miss them always. We also remember in our prayers members of staff and our students who have lost a dear family member. We are committed to extending all our support to them. We are delighted to welcome Mr. Nikhil Channa, President of Child Education Society and Chairman, Bal Bharti Public School, Pitampura. His engagement and involvement in the growth of all Bal Bharti institutions pan-India is commendable. We look forward to a beautiful journey under his leadership, carrying forward the legacy of our visionaries, taking the institution to greater heights. Times continue to be different. The past academic year was a very challenging yet fulfilling one in terms of academics, school achievements, and pedagogical evolution. We have traveled over rough terrain and will maybe face more challenges. However, we are confident that with the support and encouragement we receive from all our stakeholders and especially our parents, we shall continue to overcome them all. My special appreciation goes out to every staff member who within a few days adopted the new norms of teaching learning and contributed to enrich their own potential and abilities. Bal Bharti Public School Pitampura will continue to ensure that children are provided with every opportunity for their holistic development. The annual cultural presentation is a part of this process. Singing, dancing, and being together empowers our children to take on life joyfully. I am proud of every student who adapted to the changed circumstances. As we continue with virtual learning, let's welcome the rhythm of change and positivity with open arms. We hope that new dreams, new aspirations, new goals, and new hopes will lead us forward to a more enriching experience of greater learning. Our students will now share their pride in their achievements with you. Thank you so much.
It gives us immense pride to share with you the achievements and accolades of Bal Bharti Pitampura. This proves, although the sea is stormy, we ride high, spirited and undefeated.
The Time School Survey 2020 was conducted in Delhi NCR. In the North Zone, our school bagged the first rank under the category North Delhi Leaders for the 8th consecutive time. Education Today ranked us as innovative leader among the top 50 schools of the country in India's prestigious School Jury Awards 2020. Our school was ranked 12th in India and 3rd in Delhi in the category India's top 20 CBSE schools by Education Today in 2020. Our school has been shortlisted as one of the 30 leading schools of India by NSW Services. National Educational Excellence Awards and Conference 2020 honored our school with top 20 leading and most promising schools of the year 2020. Atal Bihari Vajpayee Titans of Technology Award was conferred upon our school by Rethink India in the Technological Forum 2021 for having joined the futuristic community of Indian empowering schools. Our school is the proud recipient of the 3 Shakti Samman Awards bestowed upon by Rethink India. We received the Brainfeed School Excellence Award 2020 in the category of Best CBSE School for sports education, parental education, and inspirational leadership. Our school was declared a Fit India School 2020 and was issued a certificate of recognition by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. Our school was also awarded a citation of honor by Expressions India for promoting adolescent peer education and positive mental health and well-being, and enriching 21st century skills in the context of NEP 2020. Our school was awarded a letter of appreciation by the WHO Collaborating Center for Training and Research in Adolescent Health.
Our principal, Ms. Meena Goswami, received the Progressive Principal of India Award 2020 under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India. She also received the Spirit of Kamala Harris Cognition 2021 by Rethink India Institute, Leader of the Schools Award by Udaan, the Center of Theatre Art and Child Development, the Principal Leadership Award for Outstanding Endeavours in the Life Empowerment Awards 2020, and the Certificate of Appreciation from the International Olympiad Foundation for promoting academic excellence and outstanding leadership. Our school was awarded by Expressions India in the following categories in the Life Empowerment Awards 2020: Vision for School, Family and Community Partnership, Indian Art and Cultural Promotion, and Adolescent Peer Leadership for Life Skills Empowerment. Mrs. Sonia Chhabra, Vice Principal, was bestowed with Teacher Leadership Award for Life Skills Education. The Interact Club of our school won the Governor's Recognition Award Elite Club for its outstanding contribution in advancing the cause of Rotary from 2019 to 2021. Our school was ranked first among the top 10 schools in India for maximum participation in Ganga Quest Quiz 2021.
Presenting to you all the special achievements. Overcoming all challenges, our students strode ahead during this period, achieving laurels and making the school proud. In academics, despite all the different circumstances and the challenges posed by the new forms of learning, our students persisted in their will to win and achieve success. We are proud of the students of class 10th and 12th who have done us proud with the excellent board results. We received a school average of 89.19% in class 12 and 86.5% in class 10. Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, by Government of India organized a partnership with the Educational Foundation, Talent and Search, Sirius, Russia for a 14-day virtual educational learning and innovation program. Nav Garg of class 12 participated in the delegation, the team Digital Financial Assets of the 21st Century. The school team was among the top 5 winning teams that participated in Adobe Mentorship Program by Adobe India. Satyam Olan, class 11, shared his experience about the winning innovation in the convocation ceremony. Aryan Mehndilata of class 12, Anshan Mahajan of class 11 and Adit Saluja of class 11 were among the top 5 teams to represent India in the Global Hack Finals. 3 students of class 12 qualified the KVPY 2020 aptitude test. Meghna Gupta of class 12 secured a rank of 3rd in All India JEE Paper 2 for architecture and a rank of 1 in Delhi. The following students of class 12 made the school proud with their commendable performance in JEE Mains 2021. Devashish Chaudhary of class 11th was declared as the state topper in the National Hindustan Olympiad by Hindustan Times.
Anshan Mahajan, class 12, received the University of Toronto Special Award at the Initiative for Research and Innovation in STEM National Fair 2020-2021. Eva Chaudhary, class 12, stood 4th among the top 10 artists in India in a national level painting contest organized by Super 7. Akriti Goel, class 12, was declared the best delegate for her performance representing Sweden in the simulation of United States women in the Sentencia X Conferation organized by UN International Center for India and Bhutan. Jyotna Singh of class 11 set a new record of maintaining the yoga tree pose on a stool for 37 minutes in the Asia Book of Records. This is the longest time recorded by an Asian. Kanav Gupta, class 11th, received a letter of appreciation for providing food to the needy through his non-profit organization, food bag. Yathar Chandna of class 12 wrote a book Amateur to Mature, which is available on Amazon. He also received a scholarship of $108,000 from Michigan State University, USA to pursue their undergraduate program, and another scholarship of $100,000 from McGill University, Canada. Rishabh Keswani, class 12, authored Things About Capitalism. The book is available on Kindle. Alisha Khattar of class 11th was nominated for the Best Author of the Year Award 2020 by NE8X, Light Fest 2020 edition, for her book Frozen Tears. Ananya Garg got the third prize and Manya Arora got a special prize in the international contest 2020 organized by the Korean Cultural Center India, Embassy of the Republic of Korea.
16 students were awarded sports scholarships worth 32,50,000 by the NCT of Delhi under the scheme Play and Progress. Shrishti Saini of class 12 has been selected for the Target Olympic Podium Service scheme in the discipline of athletics. She is undergoing training at Netaji Subhash National Institutes of Sports, Patiala, for the 2024 and 2028 Olympics. Arshad Abbas, Riya Singh and Manya Sachdeva of class 11 have been selected for the Basketball Nationals India Cup, organized by Basketball Federation of India, in the under-16 category. Eshan Madhavan of class 12 won the second position and a cash prize of rupees 7,000 in an online chess tournament organized by Action Committee. Khushi Sachdeva of class 12 won a silver medal in individual doubles and a bronze medal in the team event in the 15th Junior National Soft Tennis Championship. In the under-18 category, she won the gold medal in doubles, silver medal in mixed doubles and the bronze medal in singles. In the women's category, she won the gold medal in doubles, a gold medal in mixed doubles and a bronze medal in singles. Tushar Mittal of class 12 secured the second position in National Series Under-18 doubles category organized by All India Tennis Association. He also secured the second position in the Champion Series in Under-16 singles.
Miss Kavita Dhar, headmistress of senior department, was selected as a member of the review team established to review the class 12 history videos before they are launched formally. Mr. Sajal Patra, TGT Fine Arts, was honored with Utkal Shri Award 2021.
The School Connection, the e-newspaper, is published regularly in every quarter. This newspaper highlights the students' achievements and their activities in that very quarter. Virtual assemblies are conducted across every department which are attended by the students in their school uniform. A weekly news bulletin is presented across all classes. The Student Council of the Senior Secondary Department took up the initiative of creating 8 culture clubs. This provides the student a platform to reach their fullest potential and express them.
Today, let us take some time to value our nation and never forget the sacrifices. Freedom is never dear at any cost. It is the breath of life. Nothing can dampen the pride and joy that swells up in our hearts when we bow our heads in homage to our incredible nation. Vekho ladla watan mera gaave, enu vekh ke tiranga lehrave.
हो जुग जुग जीवे हिंद दाशिया हो जुग जुग जीवे हिंद दाशिया हो एंदा रोशन रहे गुलजार एनू नजर न लगे किसे मयार दी एनू नजर न लगे किसे मैं यार दी एनु सीस देवे दाता एनु सीस देवे दाता
देखो लाडला वतन मेरा गावे एनू वेख के तिरंगा लहरावे
राती जागदा मिलना अक्का मीचदा राती जागदा मिलना अक्का मीचदा
पहरेदारियां दा फर्ज निभावे
पार तांगा विच मिटल मडलिया पार तांगा विच टलम टलिया नीले आसमां ते नेकारी तेरे रंग बिरंगी मैं पीर बनावण चलिया मैं पीर बनावण चलिया मैं पीर बनावण चलिया मैं पीर बनावण चलिया ओ मंगा मनता देश दिखाते मंगा मनता देश दिखा तेरे निचा होड़ सवलिया मैं पीर मनावण चलिया मैं पीर मनावण चलिया मैं पीर मनावण चलिया मैं पीर मनावण